We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting related and some of the most often mispronounced words and medical terms as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, it is usually pronounced as atelectasis. Atelectasis. In American English, however, it is usually said as atelectasis. Atelectasis in American English versus atelectasis. In British English, you do want to stress on the third syllable, the lek syllable, atelectasis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.